new G&G single color MAXX. So these are 350 watts, single color, red, blue, amber, yellow, purple. I'm probably forgetting one, but these guys right here are super bright. And the nice thing is that same piece that we were talking about, that we have that same diffuser on it that also aims at the sheet. So as you can see here, we've got a blue and we also have our purple. These guys, same thing, IP68. They have a new cable connector that is waterproof. It's not the plug-in style one from before. Really, really nice setup. Same mounting brackets. These things are bright as heck. 3-year warranty, no questions asked warranty. I think you guys are really gonna like these. So if you're looking for your single color in the tunnel, these guys are the way to go. Super bright, lightweight. Oh, and by the way, I didn't talk about it with the Rainbow MAXX. These guys are $899.99. The rainbows are $999.99. So we've lowered our prices. We've got higher quality, brighter. I think it's a win for everybody. Hope you guys like them.